In this video, I will show you that how to send money with Western Union. So simply visit westernunion.com and now register your profile here. After that, log into your account. Now click on send money and here you have to select the receiver country where you want to send your payment. Now type the amount here, like I want to transfer 500 US dollar. Simply here, how does your receiver want the money? So simply bank account or cash pickup, simply select. Now after that, how would you like to pay, like through credit card, debit card or bank account? Simply I have select the credit card. Now click on continue. After that, here you have to add the receiver information here. Now simply click on continue. And after that, when you click on continue, simply here you have to type your credit card number and all the details like zip code, city and state. Now click on continue to review. So after adding your all the data, simply you have to click on send payment. So in this way you can transfer money with Western Union.